Everybody wants to keep fit and stay healthy, but for many people, disease is an unfortunate fact of life. Current medical research is discovering the underlying causes of disease and offering new methods for curing illness. The science of molecular biology provides deep insight into the functions of the human body and yields a wealth of information on the organs, the individual cells that make up those organs, and even the molecular mechanisms that control cellular activity. Our increasing knowledge of fundamental biology is leading towards innovative cures and more healthy lives. 1 out of 4 persons will be diagnosed with cancer, and in many cases, current therapy does not provide an effective cure. Biologists know that normal cells divide in a highly regulated and strictly controlled manner, and that cancerous tumors are formed when a cell becomes abnormal and divides without control. Cells of the immune system are capable of detecting and killing these abnormal cells, but in cases of serious disease, the rate of cancer cell division surpasses the effect of the immune system, and the tumor continues to grow. In order to acquire nutrients that are necessary for growth, the tumor cells release a growth factor called PLGF that binds to receptors on nearby capillary blood vessels. This causes the capillary network to expand through the tumor, providing increased blood supply and stimulating tumor growth. Scientists have discovered that this process can be blocked by the administration of a small molecule called anti-PLGF antibody. The antibody binds to the PLGF growth factor, thereby preventing it from associating with the capillary vessel. This effectively blocks the expansion of the capillary network, and tumor growth is slowed because of limited blood supply. Because of the strong positive effect of the anti-PLGF antibodies, the cancer-killing cells of the immune system can now work faster than the rate of cancer cell division, resulting in a marked reduction in tumor size. Crohn's disease is a debilitating illness with severe symptoms that have a great impact on quality of life. This disease is characterized by inflammation of the intestine, caused by an adverse immune reaction to naturally occurring bacteria. The bacteria slip between epithelial cells in the intestinal wall, where dendritic cells engulf the bacteria. The antigens are presented to T cells, which become hyperactivated. The T cells fiercely attack the bacteria, causing extensive collateral damage to nearby intestinal tissue. Dying epithelial cells release additional factors that amplify the immune response. Recently, molecular biologists discovered that the damage can be treated with a specially modified bacterium. The modified bacteria release a powerful signaling molecule called IL-10. IL-10 inhibits T cell activation and causes the T cell itself to release additional IL-10 molecules. The immune response against the intestinal wall is blocked, and the bowel is allowed to heal. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease, is an incurable neurodegenerative disorder that leads to severe paralysis and eventually death. The symptoms arise from a disruption in the normal patterns of communication between motor neurons in the brain and spinal cord. These neurons are responsible for relaying the instructions from the brain that tell the muscles to contract. In ALS patients, muscle function is lost because the motor neurons die. Biological experiments show that the dying neurons release smaller amounts of a growth factor called VEGF. VEGF protects neurons under stressful conditions and increases the blood supply when the cells need more oxygen. When VEGF is administered, the functions of the neurons can be restored. These initial results provide a basis for the development of an exciting new therapy to counter the progression of the disease. Advances in biological research are moving towards a clear understanding of human disease at a molecular level. This information provides key insights into the development and application of a novel technology for curing illness and preserving good health. VIB is committed to continue its pioneering research in the life sciences. Via molecular research of the highest standard, we make every effort for new and significant contributions to enhance scientific progress and improve the quality of life for all.